So guys, this is how to do your KYC on this Kudos mining. Okay, so when you click on my wallet, you are going to see confirm KYC, then click on it. You see first step your ID, second step selfie, then third step submit. Now I'm going to submit. You can submit your driving license, national ID card. Okay, you click on this choose file. It will take you to your file manager, then choose the file that your picture of the ID is. After that, then click on continue. Then you see option 1, take a photo recommended. Open your camera app on top to capture. Okay, then click on tap to open camera. Or option 2, option B, live camera preview. Use the in-app camera, then capture. Then you can choose whether option 1 or option B. So I'm going with the option A, the one that is the recommended. So after you are done, click on submit. It will be verified. Now that the KYC has been verified successful, now you click on this create wallet. Enter a password that you will not forget. Okay, when you are done, click on create. You see your recover files. Anyone with the recover can access your wallet. Okay, so you see this one, copy it, because when you forget your password, they are going to ask you about this. Okay, just find a place, copy it and keep it. Okay, then click on cancel, close, or this cancel icon. So now your wallet is ready. So you can copy this address, copy the address and send it to anyone that want to send it for you. If you send it, come on this send, click it. Okay, and put the address here, the person address, then put the amount here, then send. Okay, so if you want to transfer it from your total mining to your wallet, click on this transfer, then put the amount, let's say 10, then click on confirm. So you see 7 is remain, then come to your wallet, my wallet, you see it here, you have 10. Put this. Okay, so that's all for now. I wish you happy cash out.